So let's click on Posts, Add New. So let's make this, let's say I'm going to be selling a t-shirt. So I'm going to type in t-shirt. That is awesome. And the next thing that I need to do is make sure that I have this product created. So it says, please note that you must add your product here before it'll show up. So again, let's just click on this here button. And it loads us up in this page here. So I'm going to add my product name. So t-shirt, that is awesome. Item number, you need to make sure this is a unique number that you have not used for any other products. So this is my second item that I've added to this cart. So I'm going to say it's 002. My price is going to be 20 bucks, and I'm not going to tax it, and yes, I need to ship it. Let's make it about 1 pound. That's probably about how much a shirt weighs. And underneath here you see digital product options. The only thing that you're going to use this for is if you're selling a file. So because we're not selling any kind of a digital file right now, I'm not going to use this, but I am going to use my product variations underneath here. So I'm going to say this shirt comes in a small, a medium, and a large. And another cool thing that you can do with this is also add in different prices for different sizes of shirts. So say you want your medium to cost $2 more than your small or your large, you just type in a plus $2, and you put that inside the comma before you write large. I have no other options that I want to add right now, so I'm just going to click on Save, and I'm going to go back to my Add New Post. Because I haven't actually added this product yet, it's not going to show up in this drop down, so let's just quickly click on Save Draft. And now if I go to my drop down for select a product, you will see that I have t-shirt that is awesome in my product list. Obviously you're going to call your products probably something a lot different than that, but whatever your product is, that you just call it that, and it'll show up in this drop down menu. The next thing you want to do is add the images for your product. So product image URL number 1, let's click on Upload. And where it says select files, I'm going to select that, and I'm just going to select one of the images that I have for this product. Obviously this is not a picture of a t-shirt. It would be if I was doing this for real, but for now I'm just going to use this chrysanthemum, and I'm going to go where it says link URL, and I'm going to copy this entire URL, right click, copy, and now you can close this dialog box, and you just paste it in here where it says product image URL number 1. So I'm going to right click and hit paste, and it's as easy as that. So just repeat that process for image number 2 and number 3, and then we're going to move on to categories. Now you want to make sure probably that your products are laid out according to category, because you want people to be able to find stuff on your site easily. So this is a t-shirt, so I'm going to select it in my t-shirt category. If I was making a product that didn't have a category yet, say I hadn't added it, I would just click on Add New Category here and select it. I'm also going to unselect Uncategorized because I don't want it to show up there. You can also add some tags. So let's say that I want this t-shirt to be listed with the tag t-shirt. Let's say it's a red t-shirt, so I'm going to make a tag called red. And let's say it's a graphic tee as well, so I'm going to put graphic. And click Add. And you can see it's added my tags here. And then we're going to add the featured image for this item. So click on Set Featured Image and select Files, and I'll select a different image for my featured image. This is the image that's just going to show up when people are browsing all the products. So you want to make sure that you do add a featured image as well. I'll scroll down here. This time we're going to click on Use as Featured Image. So let's click on that. And we can close this dialog box. And you can see over here on the right hand side it's added my featured image. So I'm going to go up to the top here now, and I'm just going to click on Publish. Obviously I didn't add a description here, but this is where you would, this area right here is where you would add your description. Let's just put one in right now. This t-shirt is red. It has graphics on it, and it's a t-shirt. Alright, so I'm going to click Update, make sure that I've got that all in there. And that's now going to show up in my t-shirts category.